Hello, today I'm going to show you how to make homemade Oreo ice cream. Let's get right into it. You will need a package of Oreos. You will need 2 eggs, 2 cans of evaporated milk, ice cream salt, sugar, 3 cups, a mixing bowl, a measuring cup and a tablespoon, a half gallon of milk, pure vanilla extract, some ice, and of course, an ice cream maker. Let's get right into it. The first thing that we're going to do is place our Oreos into a bag, then crush them up. Once we have crushed the Oreos, we are going to put them to the side as they'll come back later. For now, we're going to crack 2 eggs into the mixing bowl. Once you have cracked the 2 eggs in the mixing bowl, go ahead and whisk the 2 eggs together. Once you have whisked the 2 eggs together, go ahead and add 3 cups of sugar. Once you've added the 3 cups of sugar, go ahead and add 2 cans of evaporated milk. Once you have put the 2 cans of evaporated milk in, you can go ahead and put a tablespoon of the vanilla extract. Once you have gone ahead and put in the vanilla extract, you can now go ahead and start mixing the contents of the mixing bowl. After mixing the contents of the mixing bowl, we will go ahead and dump it into our ice cream cylinder. Once we have added the contents to our ice cream cylinder, we can go ahead and add our Oreos. Once we have added our Oreos to the ice cream cylinder, we can go ahead and mix together the contents of the ice cream cylinder. Once we are done mixing up the Oreos with the contents, we can add our dasher into our ice cream cylinder. Once we've added the dasher, we can go ahead and pour some milk in our ice cream cylinder. Keep in mind the contents of your cylinder in the max fill line. As the ice cream freezes, it will expand, and going over the max content line can cause spillage. Once we have filled up our ice cream cylinder with milk, we will then go ahead and put on our lid. In the bucket there is a divot. We will now put the ice cream cylinder in that divot as it keeps it level. Then we will put on our motorized crank for our ice cream maker. Once the motorized crank is on, we will go ahead and add ice. We'll add layers of ice and then add a layer of salt. We will do this until the ice cream bucket is completely filled with ice and salt. Now we can go ahead and plug in our ice cream maker. Once this is plugged in, we can go ahead and flip on the on switch. When your ice cream maker turns on, it will automatically start spinning. It will start spinning the inside of the ice cream cylinder and our contents inside to make ice cream. Over time, we will need to add more ice and salt. And make sure to keep the ice packed down as it will melt over time. Each time you pack it down, remember to add more ice and more salt. You can never have enough ice when making ice cream. Over time, the ice cream maker will slow down and you can hear the motor giving out. Our ice cream maker will automatically turn off, but in case yours doesn't, it would be best to keep an eye on this. Once it is done, you can go ahead and unplug it and take off your motorized crank from your ice cream cylinder. Once the motorized crank is off, we can go ahead and start clearing some of our ice from the ice cream cylinder. Once we have cleared all the ice, we can go ahead and pull the cylinder out. Once we have pulled the cylinder out, we can go ahead and remove that lid. Once we remove the lid, we can go ahead and start scooping ourselves some ice cream. You have made homemade Oreo ice cream. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this helpful.